Welcome to Chris BI. My name is Chris Wagner. That's Dax. And today we're going to be going over this amazing new tool called Lucidcharts. What the heck is Lucidcharts? It is this incredible tool that allows you to diagram out applications, layouts, any of the stuff you used to use Visio for. It's amazing for it. All right, let's head over to it. Check it out. Alliance is counting on you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, turn on that alarm bell so you don't miss any future mission. Okay, inside of Lucidcharts, I'm going to go over here. Shift. There we go. All right, inside Lucidcharts, really easy. You can sign up for a free account. Links down below. Allows you to create 3 documents, 60 shapes per Lucidchart document, 100 templates. Otherwise, you got to pay if you want to get more than that. So, real great thing. You can start to use it, create your diagrams. Like export it out, snapshot it out. Use that. You just have to work within those 3. Otherwise, you can pay for it. This is a great tool inside your organization or companies. Do check it out. All you do is hit start for free, put in whatever account you want to do, either their account or your Google account. I've set mine up with my Google account. So when you land in, it's going to ask you what is it that you do. I'm going to do in data and analytics, what best describes you. I'm executive director. I'm not going to invite any people. I'm going to say next. And what do you want to try first? I'm just going to go in. I'm going to start to play with this stuff. So hit done or previous. I don't know. Next. Tree diagrams done. Okay. I don't want to follow any of these templates. I just want to get straight into the dealio. Okay. So, oh my gosh. I don't want to go in and do the demo. But when I'm in, I've got all these different options that I can add in, and it's just as easy as you'd expect it to be. Just drag and drop, highlight items, delete them, drag it into another spot, add something in a different space, and it just automatically grows out. It works just the way you'd want it to. But you've got some great options here. You can go right into your shape libraries, and you can pull in additional content that you might want to have, right? So I'm working on data and analytics project. So I'm going to add in this analytics space. I'm going to add in some of that AI ML, and I might add in that Azure Stack as well, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do Azure Stack, AI ML. I have some database needs. So I'm going to go down to this database space and add that in. Oh, there's a whole bunch more here. I wasn't scrolling. I could go in, I could see, I want the general icons. Got to have the identity management. Right, and I can management and governance. There we go. Okay, this is generally speaking pretty good. We'll add in security and why the heck not storage. Use selected shapes. Okay. Once I've done that, they all appear right down on my side right here. So it becomes really easy for me to create my my environment. Now, some things that are missing, right? You'll notice there's no Power BI icon. I've got Synapse, I've got Databricks, but I don't have Power BI. I don't know why Power BI is not in any of these. So that's where I go to my old favorite document, my icons document that's over at kratosbi.com. You can just copy and paste from here, at least some of those icons. But I want to get all of the icons that are out and that are out on this GitHub repo. So that GitHub repo, I'll go post that inside the I gotta post that inside of the video, but I'm gonna download this code for this repo. And what's inside of here, and the reason I like this is I get all sorts of PNGs as well as I get SVGs for a lot of the shapes that are inside of the Power BI standard icons. Okay, so once that's downloaded, I'm going to go into my downloads. I'm going to double click it. Icons main. I'm going to take my SNGs and PNGs, drag it into my pictures. Okay, so that's going to run. Now I'm headed back over to Lucidcharts. I'm going to go back into my shape library here. And I'm going to go into, and you can kind of see here, maybe it's in the way here, import shapes right here. Okay, I'm going to click on import shapes. I'm going to add to existing library. I'm going to choose my library. I'm going to choose my save shapes. I'm going to go to choose files. And this is where I'm going to go back into my pictures and choose that SVG and hit open. And Control A and click open. All of these items are now about to upload in, and boom, inside my save shapes, I have those. I'm going to hit use selected shapes. And now I've got inside Lucidcharts all of the the official shapes and icons, icons, not logos, icons from the Power BI suite. So if I want to start to drag and drop my content, so I've got Power Query. I've got my paginated report will stick out there. I've got my, that looked weird. I've got my premium. I've got all my good stuff that I really want to have inside of here. Other report logos and icons. So I can really start to build out inside of here an architecture and a diagram that I have, right? So maybe I'm using Synapse Analytics. And that's going to go into Power BI. And you know what? I want the colorful Power BI icon. So I'm going to go back to that PowerPoint that I have. I'm going to just paste it in. So now I have these all together. So I've got my Synapse Analytics. I've got my Power BI. There's something data science in here. I'm sure I do someplace. Did I skip over it? Someone's yelling in the comments. Chris, you're skipping right over it. But just so much stuff here. And you can always add more. You can add in any of these things. It's super easy to build and work with. I am just absolutely been a super fan of it. Tell me what you think. What is it that you're using for diagramming? Are you using Lucidcharts? Are you still using Visio? What tool are you using? All right, that's a quick run through of what Lucidcharts are. I hope you found this useful. There is a link down below to head over and start your free trial for Lucidcharts. As always, I want to hear back from you as to what you found most useful, what you liked, didn't like, that type of thing. Make sure you hit that like button. If it's your first time at the channel, make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss any of the other videos that I put out there. All right, you guys have a great day. Oh, wait, before I go, head over to chrisbi.com, buy me a coffee. I'll send you some of these great new stickers. Or in the links down below, there's a new black on black Power BI Data God t-shirts. Oh, they're super cool. Check them out. Get some on order. They take about a month to get you. I'd love to see, as people are hitting the conferences, I'm out there seeing people. Love to see people in the Data God t-shirts. So you guys have a great day. Peace. For now. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.